Hello student, welcome in your ICT class. So in our last video we have discussed more on MS Word 2010. We have discussed what is a Microsoft Word, what is a word processing, what do you mean by formatting. We have discussed few features of MS Word 2010 like find and replace, line spacing and paragraph spacing, page margin. Now we are going to begin with a very new topic, page orientation. Page orientation decides the position of your paper, of your document. You can place your paper in two ways along with its length and width. This feature is known as orientation. Page orientation option present in page layout tab. There are two types of orientation in MS Word. Portrait. Vertical placement of a paper is called portrait orientation. Landscape orientation. Horizontal placement of a paper is known as landscape orientation. How we can change a page orientation? We need to click on page layout tab. By default, portrait orientation is working. You can change it by clicking on the orientation option. Let's do it practically. See, this is one of the document. If I want to change the orientation of the page, right now it is appeared vertically. That means which orientation is working? Portrait. If I want to change, click on a page layout tab, orientation option. By default, portrait is selected. If you want landscape, you have to click on landscape. Now your pages appear horizontally. So this is your landscape orientation. If you don't want landscape, you again click on orientation and portrait. Now we move on the next topic. Watermark. It is a faded text or image that you want to appear behind of the text of each page. If you want to make a document confidential, if you want to give your logo at the back of your each page of the document, so you can use a watermark option. By default, Microsoft Word has 6 predefined watermarks. Watermark option present in page layout tab. How can we change a watermark? Click on page layout tab. Click on watermark option. When you click on watermark option, there is some predefined watermarks appear on your screen. If you want to use default one, so click on it. If you don't want to use default one, click on custom watermark option. When you click on custom watermark, this window will be appear on your screen. Let's see practically. This is a document. If you want to insert a watermark, so you have to click on. Let me clear one thing with you, student. I am using updated version of MS Word 2019, but in 2010 watermark option present in page layout tab, but in 2019 watermark option present in design tab. So don't be confused for this. If anybody asks you where is the watermark option placed in MS Word 2010, so you will say page layout tab. So click on page layout tab, watermark option. When you click on watermark option, this window will be appear. You have to click on custom watermark. When you click on custom watermark window will be appear on your screen. There is a two type of the watermark, picture watermark and text watermark. If I want to insert a text at the back of our document, so we have to click on text watermark. If I want academy, and we can change the font color also, font style also. By default, font size is auto appeared, you can change it also by clicking on it. By default gray color is selected, you can change it. There is a two layout of the watermark, diagonal and horizontal. So if you want diagonal, so it is already selected, click on apply. When you click on apply, see the watermark appear on your screen. It is appear at the back of your document. You can type a text on it. You can type a text on it like this. So this is a watermarks. Let's move on another topic. Header and footer. Header is the top heading of the each page of the document. It is placed at the top of the each page of the document, and footer is the bottom heading of the each page of the document. Just like your page number, publisher name, subject name, it can be placed in footer. Header and footer option present in insert tab. How can you insert it? Go on the insert tab, header and footer. When you click on header and footer option, some predefined header and footer will be appear on your screen. Select any one, click on it. Let's do it practically. This is a document. Click on insert tab. Click on header option. When you click on header option, some predefined headers are appear on your screen. If I want this one, so I have to click on this one. See, the header is appear. You can change the heading. If I want to give ICT. We can also increase a font size by clicking on the home tab. See what will happen when you move on the next page. This heading is automatically appear on the next page and watermark also. So this is your header. Let's move on footer. Go on the insert tab, footer option, select any one. If I want this one, click on it. If I want to insert a date, click on the date, calendar, select the date, apply. So this is a footer, appear at the bottom of your page. The change, you can change the color of it also. You can increase the size. You can make it bold also. So you can format your header and footer also. So this is your heading. See, this is a page number 1. This is a page number 2. It is automatically appears on the each page number. So children, till here we have to explain. For next topic we will explain it at next video. So meet you all in our next video. God bless you all. Take care. Bye bye.